Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make Google Drive link public. Why would you want to know how to make Google Drive link public? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Drive and not sure how to make Google Drive link public. So today I am going to show you how to make Google Drive link public. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Open Google Drive. Select any file. Now click on three dots of the file you want to share. Click on Share. Again, click on three dots at the top right corner. Click on Manage Access. Now click on Change button. Click on Restricted. Here you can make your link public by clicking on anyone with the link. Now click on link icon at the top right corner of the screen. Your link has been copied. Now share this link with public. So there you go. If you were wondering how to make Google Drive link public, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.